Alrighty, now that we've played around with Whiteboard and the full screen snip tool, let's look at installing Lenovo Pen app settings and configuring our pen. So if you do not have the pen settings, then you can come down here to the search bar and type Store to access the Microsoft Store. And then in the top right search bar of the store, type Lenovo Pen, and that'll bring up the pen settings as the first hit. So from here, I have the option to install this. I might get an error if I try to log in. So if I press install and try to log in with my Hemet USD account, I might get an error that said that Microsoft account doesn't exist. No matter how many times I click that, if I X out of it, it's still going to install in the background. So that's just a little bit of a bug, but the pen settings are downloading right now. Alrighty, I'm going to launch this once it's installed. And here it is. So these are really faint buttons, but I do have what's called a top barrel button and a bottom barrel button. You can have these be whatever you would like. So I prefer to set my top barrel button to be the screen sketch and the bottom barrel button to the sketch pad. So these are just other names for the full screen snip and the whiteboard apps. You can also adjust, if you scroll down a little bit, you can adjust your pen tip sensitivity if you like it to be more sensitive or less, but the default is usually pretty accurate, so that's what I leave mine as. To make these barrel buttons work though, you do have to, I don't know if you can see the cursor of my tip, you do have to get the pen close to the screen until you see sort of a white circle with a crosshair, and once you have that, then you can push one of those barrel buttons to access the app that it's associated with.